Dear friends, today I would like to discuss on how to get Indian citizenship. There are several procedures and process to get Indian citizenship. We will go through this process step by step. Who gives citizenship? Citizenship in India is governed by the Citizenship Act of 1955. It is managed by the Ministry of Home Affairs and you must follow legal procedures to become a citizen. So, how can you qualify? The first step to get the citizenship is citizenship by birth. This depends on when you were born. Born between January 26, 1950 and July 1st, 1987, you are automatically a citizen of India, no matter your parents' nationality. Born between July 1st, 1987 and December 3rd, 2004, one of your parents must be an Indian citizen. Born after December 3rd, 2004, one parent must be Indian and the other parent must not be an illegal migrant. Another method to get citizenship is citizenship by descent. Section 3 of Citizenship Act of 1955 clearly mentioned on further method to become a citizen of India. If you are born outside India, still you can become an Indian citizen by descent under fulfilling following conditions. If you are born between 1950 and 1992 and your father was Indian, you are eligible. If you were born between 1950 and 1992 and your father was Indian, you are eligible. If you were born after 1992, if either parent is Indian, you are qualified. If born after 2004, your birth must be registered at an Indian embassy and one parent must not be an illegal migrant, you can be a citizen of India. Section 4 of Citizenship Act of 1955 clearly mentioned on acquiring citizenship by registration. It can be applicable under following conditions. The first condition is you have lived in India for 7 years and have Indian roots. The second condition is you are married to an Indian citizen and have stayed in India for 7 years. The third condition is you are a minor child of Indian parents. Or you are an OCI card holder living in India for at least 1 year out of the last 5. If you are fulfilling the above mentioned conditions, you can make an application to the Ministry of Home Affairs with proper documentation. Next method to acquire citizenship is citizenship by naturalization. According to the Citizenship Act of 1955, there are the provisions to acquire citizenship by naturalization. This is applicable only for the foreign nationals who have lived in India for long time. Here are the conditions. Be in India for 12 years, total 11 years before applying, 1 year continuously before that. Secondly, be fluent in any Indian language listed in the Constitution. Third one is have no criminal record. Fourth one is be willing to renounce your existing citizenship. India doesn't allow dual citizenship. Citizenship Act of 1955, Section 6 deals about citizenship by incorporation. Sometimes, when a region becomes part of India, like Sikkim in 1975, the residents automatically become Indian citizens. Section 7 of the Indian Citizenship Act of 1955 deals about how to apply. Visit the official Ministry of Home Affairs website, fill out the appropriate citizenship form, Form 1 to 8 depending on your category, gather documents, proof of residence, birth, marriage, and language ability, submit the application online or at the district collector's office. Wait for background checks and approval. Section 8 of Indian Citizenship Act of 1955 deals about OCI citizens, Overseas Citizenship of India, or OCI. If you are not ready to become a full citizen, you might consider Overseas Citizenship of India, or OCI. It is not full citizenship. What are the merit and demerit of OCI citizenship? Visa-free entry to India, right to live, work and study, but no right to vote or hold government jobs. Getting India's citizenship is possible, but it takes time, paperwork and patience. Whether you qualify by birth, descent, marriage, or naturalization, India has a clear path. Just make sure you meet the legal requirements. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box. Thank you for watching.